Sir, one last on other issues. Naglabas po kasi ng statement si Mayor Baste Duterte saying na 3 ranggo ang tinalunan ninyo because it's not a merit-based promotion, and he even called you an attack dog. What do you want to tell Mayor Baste?
Mm, okay. I okay. I just respect his decision, and I respect his opinion. And rewind lang ng konti sa termino naman ng tatay niya kung sino ang unang chief PNP. Okay? So anong ranggo ng unang chief PNP at anong ranggo ko bago ako naging chief PNP. So it really goes back to him, really. Seriously speaking, it goes back to him. Okay? The first chief PNP of his father is a 1-star na naging automatic 4-star. Did he ask that? Did he question that? So,
Salamat, General.
thank you.
Um, Next to ask question is Ms. Pia Gutierrez, ABS-CBN.
Hi, General. General, hingi rin din po ako ng reaction dun sa sinabi ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa kanyang interview sa The Hague. She said that, she questioned your appointment as PNP chief, even calling it sketchy, especially as a Senate committee daw found that you have violated the law in implementing the arrest of her father, former President Duterte. Can you comment on that?
Again, I respect the opinion of the Vice President and the opinion of everyone regarding the things that we've done during the arrest of Mr. Duterte and his eventual transfer to The Hague. The findings of the Senate committee is still within the Ombudsman, and the Senate committee is not a disciplinary machinery nor a court that can say if who is right and who is wrong, who is guilty and not guilty. So I think we will answer all those things in a proper forum.
Okay. Thank you. Mr. Next to ask,